Big news, everybody. Silver has exploded once again on this Monday morning. Well over $57 an ounce. Are we going to push 60 much quicker than we originally thought? Let's talk about this in our gold and silver metal updates this morning. Silver has exploded and it's out of the bullpen. Happy coffee. Well, good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. It is Monday. Huge news, everybody. Huge news. The precious metals have just exploded, especially silver. It's way beyond what it was on Friday. So we're going to talk about gold and silver updates this morning. We're going to everybody comment this morning on what they think is causing this massive explosion of prices on silver. But first thing, we're going to annoy a special viewer out there with happy coffee. Apparently that viewer hates YouTubers that drink coffee while they're talking on their videos. So happy coffee to the annoyed YouTube viewer that doesn't like me drinking coffee. I don't care. So let's get to it, guys. I've been saying this was going to happen, and I've been talking about it. I've been predicting it. I'm not giving myself credit. It's just, you just have a sixth sense, right? So gold this morning is at $4,253.10. It's up $35.40. Excuse me, guys. Congestion. The metals market opened up last night at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the metals started exploding. And this is not even, we're at 4:30 this morning. No, 4:45 this morning. Our market should be opening up pretty quick. That's going to give us a really good indication of what these things are going to do today. Silver, guys, $57.62. It was last night. I saw 57.73, and I was sure it was going to hit $58 last night. Oh man, I mean, I don't think they can hold it back. I think they're going to try. They've been trying to hold it back, with the baloney COMEX deal. I felt like that was a strategy for them. So, but I think there's a good possibility that silver could go $58 an ounce today. And we've been talking about silver going $60 an ounce by the end of the year. And then, we had predictions of it not hitting 60. But right now at 57.59, it's all up in the air. What's going to happen? We're going to find out today. Is there going to be a huge sell-off on silver? Well, there could be a massive sell-off on silver. And, that there's going to be a lot of private holders that are going to go out and try to sell. There's going to be a lot of local dealers that are saying, hey, I'm not buying right now. It's too high. I'm taking a big risk. Silver's pretty volatile right now. Happy coffee. But, wow. Good news for some of you. And bad news for others, right? Allergies in full force. But let's move on, and we'll talk some more about silver. $16.96 on platinum, guys. $47 up. I've been telling you, go buy platinum. Heck, go buy all your metals. We actually hit the button on not a lot of stuff yet last night, but I told the wife, Mrs. SSC, I said, silver's going to go up. It's going to explode this morning or tomorrow morning. And I said, you need to go pick you some stuff out and let's get it bought before that happens, just to save a little bit of money. But platinum is doing fantastic. Palladium is at $14.54 an ounce. It's up $21 this morning. Rhodium, it's the same. It always seems to be the same. It is not volatile at all. It just is like the sloth. It's 7,700. Sippy cup coffee, everybody. Sippy cup coffee. Man, talk to some of our friends in Canada, all over the world, how their silver has skyrocketed to the point where it's unobtainable. You just can't buy it. That can be a good thing. That can be a bad thing, everyone. With silver skyrocketing the way it is. The gold to silver ratio, we haven't seen this in a long time. 73 to 1. Actually, it's 73.87. So it is killing it. And man, allergies are all over me. Let's look at goldbacks. Goldbacks will be the same as they were yesterday, but I promise you they will be up today. They're at $8.33 extra. If you're new to the channel, you'll know that goldbacks follow gold values every day. They're 24 karat gold. So the gold value in a goldback is actually what follows that gold trading rate for that day or for today. And usually updates around 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. So 8:33 exchange rate for a gold back. Go get you some of them. They're awesome. Guys, copper. I've been telling you about copper. Y'all been laughing at me and telling me it's a terrible investment, but the thing is, copper's worth money. I mean, it's worth money. So I really don't care what you tell me. It's at 5.30, everybody. Copper, I still believe in the future, and I'm not saying right now, everybody. You got to listen to me. Got to listen to me. Copper's a big thing and will be a big thing in the future. I think it's going to continue to drive well over $6. Who knows, by the end of the year, maybe by the first part of next year, but it's going to continue to shock a lot of people. So get you some copper, everybody. And it's beautiful. It's a beautiful metal, and we love to look at it just like we do our silver and our gold. We hit the button on some gold last night before the prices started to go up, and definitely some silver. So we'll be showing those things to you in an update video later on in the week, along with some other pickups. Now check this out. Bitcoin, Mr. Volatile. It's down to 86,640. It was at 92,000 on Friday. It's at 86,640. Whew, man. Gosh, man, things are going crazy, everybody. Silver is going crazy. People are really, they're taking that gold and that silver right now. All the central banks, instead of holding it and selling it for a big profit, a lot of them are buying it all up, and they're holding it. They're holding it for security. I mean, safe haven. They're holding their gold. They're holding their silver. Gosh, I just hope, like one of our viewers said, hope the government doesn't get involved and put a halt to this. Well, governments really suck. They really do. So they tend to mess with things. They tend to mess with good things. They tend to mess with bad things. And and they tend to usually screw it all up for everybody else, right? So I'm not a big government guy. I mean, I know we got to have government, everybody, to keep order in our countries. But, hey, big shout out to England, Australia, Norway. We're praying for you in Norway, and all over the world. Even have some viewers in India that watch us, but United States is our biggest viewership, and we thank everybody. Welcome to the channel. You're part of this family, this YouTube family. So make sure you comment, and make sure you hit that hype button. That helps them. Yesterday's video I knew wouldn't do very good. It was a copper video, but usually when you post on Sundays, usually they crap out. But anyway, so we're at 42.54.30 on gold. Gold's a lot more stable right now. And silver is at 57.58. Everyone, are we going to hit $58 an ounce today? If we hit 58 and it continues to drive upward, we could easily hit 60 fast, really fast. If there's a big sell-off and everybody starts taking profits, it's gonna dump just as fast, right? But silver is so strong right now. I think that I just don't think there's anything they can do to hold it back. I mean, the cattle have broke out of the pen, and we have a stampede, of 500 cows. It's just, I just don't think there's much they can do to hold it back. They might be able to hold it back a little bit and come up, hey, we have a cooling down period, and we got to do this, and we got to do that. This went down, the COMEX. The hell with the COMEX. I'm looking at physical stuff. Spot price physical. If we're at 57.58, you're paying well over $60 an ounce for silver, everybody. So it's killing it. Platinum's almost at 1,700 at 16.98, everybody. It's murdering it too. I keep telling you, go buy platinum. I should have flipping bought some platinum last night. I didn't. But oh well, it is what it is. It's never too late to go out and buy silver and buy gold, right? Even right now, everybody. It's a hedge against inflation. 14.57 on palladium. And we're at 73.92 on the gold to silver ratio, guys. Wow. It is cold in Oklahoma. We got freezing rain. It's going to be a long drive to work. So I got to get this done, get it posted, get it gone. Everybody, what is it going to do today? Massive, massive news on silver, massive news on gold and platinum. Palladium is doing well, not like the big three. Goldbacks it's all doing fantastic. Copper's doing fantastic. Bitcoin sucks. It's what it is, right? Man, shout out to everybody all over the world. Thanks for watching SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America. Silver, 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 buy silver now. Guys, it's going to continue. It might have a dip, but it's going to continue to drive well past 60. And I still hold to $100 silver next year, guys. I'm still holding to my guns on that. SSC, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. Happy Monday. We're gone.